Causes of Mughal decline. So these are the few points related to the decline of Mughals. So first one is, it was like an inflated balloon. That means the empire expanded like an inflated balloon, like it was very extended. Okay, so the controlling it physically was impossible. Okay, effective control was not possible in this extended empire. Next is religious policy of Aurangzeb. So here you can see that he alienated the majority of Hindu population. That means he didn't care about the majority population in his kingdom. And all this led to the conflicts of Mughals with Jats, Sikh, Rajput and Marathas. Next is Deccan policy of Aurangzeb. So if you see, it was the beginning of his end. His is nothing but Aurangzeb's end, says Jadunath Sarkar. So what happens here, you can see that the enemies rose on all sides. Okay, there are enemies against Aurangzeb on all sides of India. Jats are there, Marathas are there. And he could only defeat them but not crush them forever. So this also was one of the reasons. And it was affecting the treasury because continuous wars were affecting the treasury of Mughals. Next is weak successors. So Mughals had centralized despotism, okay, based on the military strength. So it was a centralized administration. So here only capable rulers were able to control the extended empire. But after Aurangzeb, what we can see, the successors are very weak. So which led to the decline and disintegration of empire. Next is rise and invasions. So here you can see that rise of Marathas is also one of the reason, and invasions of Nadir Shah, Ahmad Shah Abdali also affected the Mughals. Next is nobility. So here you can see there are two groups of nobility, Irani and Turani. Irani is Persian, Turani is Central Asian nobles. So there was division among the nobles and they were actively participating in the politics because the successors were very weak. Next is army. So here morale of army was lost, that is there was no loyalty. No loyalty of army for the king, okay, because they were belonging to diverse races and religious groups also. So you can see the races like Turks, Afghan, Rajput and Hindustanis, they had issues among themselves. So army has no loyalty. Next is Jagirdari crisis. Jagirdari issues has corruption, document manipulation, less land is available. As the Jagirdars are increasing, the lands are reducing. So this was one of the issue. Next is loyalty issues. So these are the few points which led to the decline of Mughals. Thank you.